The current system for scientific research is obsolete and ill-suited for today's vast and complex scientific research enterprise. It's too restrictive and wastes enormous amounts of data, talent, and resources. Therefore, we're seeing only a fraction of the scientific research output and benefits to society that existing resources can support. Dumping more money into this antiquated system will be wasted. We need a new system. Assured Science is creating that new system to solve the problems undermining scientific research today. It uses TURN, the universe of research niches, to shift the focus directly onto the data instead of through scientists. The result is a transformation of the way scientific research is funded, projects are initiated, and emergent data reviewed, developed, purposed, and archived. The goal is to enable researchers to self-sustain their careers beyond their initial grants and produce robust data from every project. To initiate projects in the TURN system, researchers take a 3 to 5 year seed grant from a funding agency and conduct research on a topic, basic or applied. Funding agencies provide a seed grant to each researcher only once, instead of repeatedly. Consequently, in a few years, this will minimize, if not eliminate, wastage of talent, resources, and data. In addition to providing seed funds to a new crop of researchers every year, funding agencies can expand and diversify their research programs by putting fertilizer grants into TURN neighborhoods that they would like to see develop. Researchers with the most suitable talents and resources will meet the demand for data. Such fertilizer grants by funding agencies and commercial companies are another source of revenue for the new system. The data that researchers produce in the TURN system are subjected to a trade-based system for both review and generating revenue to the researchers. When a data unit is complete, researchers package it along with empirical details and necessary assurances. This unit includes unexpected and unexplainable data as well. The packaged unit is traded to other peers conducting related research. Sellers recover money spent on generating that dataset, and buyers gain rights for using it as preliminary data for developing the next unit. Participants can agree to collaborate or not, which could factor into the trade. This trade-based peer review accomplishes many things at once. It produces robust data from every project because peers working on closely related projects are not only in the best position to rigorously evaluate the data, but they're also staking their assessment with financial backing. It ensures that researchers choose projects that are valid and viable, and motivates researchers to follow best trade practices. More traders and collaborators will lead to a vibrant growth of their own research programs. TURN will continuously incorporate all traded data in real time and evolves by recalibrating the cause and effect relationships. Within a few years, all datasets generated within TURN will be validated by peers with first-hand knowledge of the data and integrated with related data. As a result, there will be more reliable and rapid progress in all areas of research. This will lead to more discoveries, inventions, and high success rates in empirical and clinical trials. Proprietary rights to data are guaranteed to researchers, their institutions, or funding agencies where applicable. Therefore, our trade-based system of funding and data development will be attractive to both private researchers and commercial organizations alike. Ultimately, everyone will benefit, including researchers, their institutions, funding agencies, commercial companies, nonprofits, and the public. Finally, to understand how Assured Science will enable researchers to self-sustain their careers beyond typical initial revenue streams, think of the landscape of TURN in terms of a physical landscape, where developers buy, sell, or lease parcels of land and the transportation systems that connect them and collect tolls and fees. In TURN's virtual landscape, Assured Science will lease or sell areas around nodes and internodes to individuals or organizations. It will collect fees from people and organizations accessing specific areas of TURN to create their business, provide services, or study them for any other purpose. These revenue streams, along with others such as commissions and advertisements, will be used to help researchers self-sustain their research, facilitate the use of trading for data development, and allocate bonus funds to researchers following the best data development practices. Assured Science will use part of its revenue to help nonprofits perform public service research, providing turn-adapted, grade-specific apps free of charge to pre-college and college students. It will provide graduate students with an abundance of new opportunities to begin their careers in independent research across all areas of scientific research, and it will help establish Assured Science branches in other countries. Assured Science is a nonprofit and will be publicly owned by individuals and organizations that value a reliable and trustworthy system for scientific research. We will adapt to our purpose, the public ownership model of how fans own the American football team, the Green Bay Packers. Initial owners of Assured Science not only serve as co-founders, but can also become contractors for building the new infrastructure of TURN, or gain advance access to specific parts of TURN for developing their business and other activities. Over the last 400 years, scientific research has become the most reliable means for separating fact from fiction. Our goal is to create a reliable system that ensures the integrity of its endeavors. Society will be served best if the future of scientific research rests directly in the hands of people like you.